Hey guys, so while dinner's cooking, I'm gonna give myself a little facial because with everything I've been going through recently, I'm breaking out. I haven't done my mud mask, I haven't done my regimen, so today I'm gonna share with you what I do to stay flawless. Okay? But look,
nobody got time for that.
oh hell no. So first I gotta tell you, I wash my face with the 180. It is my favorite face wash. It is packed with vitamin C. It's amazing. This stuff has lightened my hyperpigmentation. It's hydrating, excellent. It fights against free radicals, just bomb. So I did that already. And the next step that I usually do in my skincare regimen is the polishing peel, which I'm gonna do now. And when I'm breaking out, I usually do this and it clears up within a day. Literally, like the next day, my skin is super clear. So I'm gonna put this all over my skin. And what this does is naturally exfoliates your skin without being very abrasive and renews the skin cells. Okay, so we're gonna wait till that dries a little bit. I wanna make sure everything got, even the pimples. And let that sit for about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute. I have a towel here, and it's gonna capture all the dead skin and the grossness. Listen, we all get dead skin, so not that serious, okay? Really not that serious. So as you see, I got my little wrap on, my little twisty wrap, just for my facials. You know I had to get this on. So it's about 30 seconds, and you literally just gently start rubbing. I want you guys to see what happens. This camera not picking it up, but you can see it on my hand. Can you see all that dead skin? So you take that all off, and all the dead skin. Oh, you see it? See if you guys can see. Oh, there it goes. See that? All that dead skin is coming off. And that's because the mask literally helps you take off the dead skin without being abrasive. Look. Let's see if this side got it. This area gets really, really dry for me, and I want you guys to see. See all that? See the dry skin? This takes all of that off. Look at the nose. See all that? It's literally taking off all the dead skin without being abrasive. It's like rolling it off. Look. So when you do this, I don't do it around my eyes. Do it on my smile lines. It really helps your skincare work a lot. Oh, I feel it right here. I have a lot. It really helps your skincare work a lot better. All that dead skin coming off. Okay. So now that we got most of that off, just want to get any last little areas. I'm gonna take a wet cloth. I'm just gonna take a clean towel and take off the excess of the product. Okay. So now that the skin is exfoliated, and that is equivalent to a microdermabrasion at home. without the abrasiveness. So you're not scraping the skin. It's literally rolling off the dead skin. So the next step that I do in keeping my skin breakout free is my mud mask. And this stuff is so good. I feel like I'm running out. Oh no. And I shake it really good. So you want to shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it all you can. Shake it, like it. And I get all up in there. This stuff is fun. And I usually do it with a brush, but today I'm doing it with my hands. And every time I do this mask, my skin clears up the next day, like no joke. Then what's really awesome about this mask is that overnight I can put it on the blemishes and it'll give it a nice little treatment for overnight. So by the morning everything is clear and amazing. And my favorite part about this, I'll mention again and again in all my videos, it tightens the pores. I can't stand when I have enlarged pores. I'm gonna use the wet rag again. Makeup doesn't sit well when you have enlarged pores. The makeup shows inside the pores even more, especially if you have oilier skin. But what's great about this mask, it's not drying and it's not overly hydrating. It balances the pH in your skin, and I'm telling you, it clears up minor breakouts. I'm having a minor breakout. It's not major. If I was having a major breakout, I would definitely use our acne treatment line, which we have, and it's amazing. People get great results with it. But for minor breakouts, this stuff is amazing. Okay? Men love it. Women love it. Everybody loves it. My husband loves it. Everybody loves this stuff. So this is my regimen and what I do when I get breakouts. I try to do this every week, but I'm going to tell you what happens to me. Life gets busy and things happen and you forget. And when you forget, guess what? It shows in your skin. So this is basically my regimen. Thank you for joining me. I have to go continue dinner. But now I got this on, so I'm good. My hair is wrapped up, so I'm good to go. And I know by tomorrow, these zits will be gone. Gone, I say. They will be gone. Have a great night and God bless. If you have any questions about any of the products I post, don't hesitate to PM me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Bye.